Time for another video, guys. Beautiful fall day here in the Avery. And yeah, every bird is different we have. Said it before, they all are different. We can tell them, they all look a little different and act a little different. Yeah, every bird here, they looks different. Like Cherry looks so bold and like he looks big actually, when he looks bigger than the other birds, even though when he's beside Peach they kind of look the same, but Cherry looks so bold and stands out. Maple has a round head, you know. Peach is more, I don't know, Peach is Peach, like we can totally distinguish them apart. Peach has his own look, and the magpies, they look exactly the same, but there's differences in them. Pie is more imprinted, and he will come closer to you, and he'll even go on your arm, you know, and then he starts talking. And then Spice, he talks too. He mimics a Pie, but he's more cheeky. Like, you go up to him, he flies away, and he flies all around you, and if you have food, he comes and grabs it from you, and so he's never going to be late for dinner, you know. But you know, they're all different in their own way. There's Maple. She's got a nice round head, you know. And there's Cherry. Look, Cherry's so proud. And Cherry has an injured, like a damaged wing. It was surgically repaired. So you can tell them apart like that too. But his personality, like, he's very confident actually. He was wild at one point, but he got injured, and he's very proud. He likes to be in a high position like that. And he's very vocal. Right now he's not. But sometimes he's just cawing to all the birds around that he hears. So he's much different than the other birds. And there's Spice down there. I don't know if you can see him that well. Like, physically they kind of look the same, but we can tell them apart. This is Pie up here now. Pie looks beautiful. Look at that. Look at the feather condition. We always can tell Peach apart. And Peach is very loving. Peach, he never pecks or anything like that. Like, you can put your arm out. He will step up too. He doesn't like to be really handled, but he likes to be pet. He likes petting. I did a petting video. I'll put the link below if you want to check that out. He loves a lot of attention, and he loves those petting, like on the beak and the head and stuff. So yeah. Peach used to make sounds too. He used to, like, we thought the cat was downstairs, and the cat would be upstairs sleeping, and he'd be making cat sounds, like from the bird room. And he used to cough too. He used to mimic the cough, like if we were coughing or something. He picked that up. But we haven't heard that for several years though. And Cherry just makes loud sounds, like caw, caw, caw. And when he hears birds, I can't hear anything really right now, just some wind. But he could start at any time. And there's Pie and Spice. They're both boys too. We had DNA tests done several years ago on all the birds. 4 of them are boys, and 3 are crows. And now and then people say, are you sure those are crows? Like, they're not ravens or jackdaws or... These are crows. They're definitely crows. They're too small to be ravens, and they even look different too. But they're definitely crows. And like I said, they had the DNA test. The university in our area did all those tests to determine their species and gender. There's a lot of videos on the channel, like from the past, that we had fun with guess their genders, and I think I was always wrong myself. I tried to guess, and I thought at one time I thought Cherry was a female. I'll be honest with you. I thought Cherry was probably female in the beginning, but it turned out that Cherry's a boy. And the magpies again. I thought Spice was a female. Like, that was my guess. I was wrong about that. I thought Peach was a boy, and he was. I think that was the only one I was right about. It's hard to tell when you're looking at them, oh, that's a boy and that's a girl, and you know, it's not that easy. People have said there's ways you can tell, and it doesn't always apply that way. Like, if it was that easy to tell by just looking at it, there wouldn't be any DNA test done or nothing. You would just know. And Maple's a big water lover. So is Peach. Actually, Cherry likes the water too. When I go out of here after, he'll be down there having a bath. But Maple really loves water. And she loves to eat, you know. She loves her food. But they're all different in some way, these birds. They all have their own personalities, and we know that they all look different to us. Like, if I'm kind of far away with the camera, I might say, I don't know if that's Pie or Spice down there. But if I'm closer up to them, I know who's who. If that's Pie right there, Spice is over on the other side. I'm a little closer so I can see. That's definitely Maple here. Maple, you can see a round head, you know. She seems a little rounder, her head. And there's no mistaking Cherry, especially with that injured wing, but Cherry's very proud. He's looking here, he's saying, what's he talking about? He knows his name. I won't go any closer, Cherry. I don't want to stress him out. That's Peach down there now. And Peach is different with the water. He's cautious. He just doesn't jump in like Maple does. Like, he wants to measure the depth, and we think it's because when he was a young little chick, he fell in the big water tub. My wife was dealing with him outside, and she was right there. And he kind of slipped and fell in off the rim. And he probably has been very cautious ever since, because that tub might have been about 3 feet deep or something, so 1 meter. But these, you know, he's never gonna, he can always touch the bottom here, but it's just it's a habit. That's just the way he does it. He'll jump in eventually. Like, he's just going on the rim. Look at that. Maple went right in. There's one thing there. I can tell right away. Oh, see, now he's in. He did his little test, and now he has no problem. Maple's drying off right here. The magpies will go in the water too. And Cherry will probably have a bath once I'm done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. The birds are all different. They look different and they act different. So give a big thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one.